Welcome to a video by Abron Export. This is a water bath stainless steel. Outside is a steel powder coated. Inside is a chamber of stainless steel. This has a electric heater and thermostat. This one is a upper one is a thermostat. This bar type, and this is a heater. The water should always be kept say about 3-4 inches above heater. The top has a stainless steel and these are the rings. You can put beaker of different sizes or test tubes. They come to you in a packed form inside the chamber. And this has a thermostat. This works 5 degree above room temperature. This is on off switch. Indicator is a load. It tells you the heater is running, and thermostat is say 560 degree. This works from 30 degree or room temperature plus 5 degree. Means room temperature is 20 degree, it will work from 25 degree, 30 degree. If room temperature is 40 degree, it will work from 45 degree. So this is a thermostat. It should always be rotated in a clockwise form. I show you. It should, suppose you want to test it on 30, put it here. You see this. This tells you thermostat working. 40 degree, 50 degree, 60, 70. If suppose you want to use it on 70, don't bring it from 80 to 670. Bring it from here to 70 again. You can take it here, no problem. Bring it to 70. Then this works. This is a thermostat. This works from, never put it on 95 or 100 because this water will boil and this may burn the heater, and if you are not there, the heater will be burned. We have got the water baths with the digital temperature also, where we have the temperature with the 12 holes and with the cooling system water bath. There are videos of our with the cooling water bath, heating water bath with the chamber, and the oil water baths are up to 200 degree, 300 degree. We have got all kind of water baths available. And this one is our email, abron01@gmail.com. Another is info@abronexports.com. Website is abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 9922222059. One more is 9416020018. Please visit the website, like your videos, share the videos. We have got all water baths, different kind, all can be fabricated as per your requirement. Please write to us when you have a requirement and we'll send you. And this is our manual, and we have got the digital also. Thank you very much.